to get and use two Discord apps on iPhone. So if you want to get and use two Discord apps on iPhone, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection now, what you need to do is simply go with the App Store because iPhone doesn't allow you to get two apps. So you just need to simply go with the App Store. Under your App Store, you just need to simply go with the search. And on the search, you need to search for copy app. Once you search, you will have dual accounts option, multi-social. You just need to simply tap on the dual accounts and tap on get, which is on the right side. Once you tap on get, you need to install the application. Once you've installed, open the application. And after opening, you need to go with the upper right, which has that plus icon. Once you go with the plus, here you will have all of the applications, right? So you will have Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and everything. So here you just need to simply search for Discord. Once you search, just tap on Discord, choose it, and then go with the upper right, which has that tick option. And once you tick, that's it. That's how you can get and use your two Discord apps on your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.